Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel. I have not been active for quite a while. Reasons? Do you want to know the reason? I need a motivator. I need a motivator. Anyway, it's night now, as you can see on the outside. My friend, First Lady Gloria, is coming to spend the Christmas and the New Year with me. So I'm on my way now to the train station to meet her. So stay tuned to see what First Lady looks like and who is First Lady. It's now some minutes to 9 o'clock p.m. So the tram is very empty, as you can see. And I am at the back. I am at the back of the tram because I prefer to be at the back always. So guys, I am here. The train is not yet here. I have another maybe 25-30 minutes to wait. So I'm gonna grab a chair and sit. But you know, I have never take you in the Gare, but stay tuned for that vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a tour of the Gare one of these days. Stay tuned. I promised. Okay? Anyway, grab a look of outside. It's very scanty. It's quiet. Not much movements and activities going on here. But I'm still gonna give you a look, and I'm gonna show you. Let me go in the Gare inside and show you. It's very empty. No, miss, come on, catch up on me camera. Whoa.
Welcome to Nice again, my dear.
Welcome to Nice once more. Me say, me did it at the Gare and me come out. And me say, me don't know if I deso or deso you go come from, but me I look for the biggest suitcase. This is First Lady. That's First Lady Gloria.
I'm so tired.
Look at her. Do you have anything to say?
I'm shy.
First Lady.
Well, I'm in Nice to enjoy my Christmas with my friend Tom. And we're going to have a lovely time, I know.
Right, that's so.
Right, that's okay.
All right.
So I go home now, go eat my Coke and fries and drink me that speak. And I go, hello, me I go do again.